Hello everybody, my name is Chi. Thank you Chairman, the professors of the universities for giving us the opportunities to present here. And of course, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. The topics today is about secure remote services. And what is these topics about? So what is secure remote services? Take into the context of the smart cars, right, or in the daily life. So you are driving a car, and of course there is a dashboard, and you can navigate the dashboard using the mobile phone devices. And so of course you can see the weather situation, you can navigate the mapping for the routes, etc. And even if somebody were to get close to the car, there is an intrusion alert that can be so-called sent to your mobile devices as well. So there is these technologies in place today that is relating to your daily life as far as the remote services is concerned. And to transform this into the automation manufacturing services, there is three key pillars as far as the remote services is concerned. Okay, first of all, we have the plant automations, the operation support, and last but not least, the safety and security as the main philosophy, which I will articulate more in the next couple of slides as well. Okay, so relating to the theme of this event, the Industry 4.0, and of course Yokogawa, we have our own IIoT or the Industry 4.0, the branding we call the Synthetic Business Automation. Okay, so in terms of the Industry 4.0, it is creating a lot of disruptions for our daily life. And of course we have to embrace the disruptions that is causing for us in terms of the Uber in the industry today, and of course we have the Airbnb. It will also change in terms of the way we are doing the business today, the way we are designing the products, and of course in the way it is also transpired into certain form of benefits for consumers, for suppliers, for contractors, and even for the customers. So this is the evolutions of the Industry 4.0 from the eras, and this is initiated purely by the German government. So the Industry 4.0 has been a very successful initiative, and it has been embraced widely in German context, and of course outside the Germany communities as well. As the cyber world is interconnected, so all the devices in terms of the instrumentations, the analyzers in the plants, the sensors, the PLCs, the DCS, and we are gathering, amalgamating a huge amount of data, and we call it big data. And through the use of this big data, we are translating into analytics, into informed decision-making process, and of course to provide certain form of the intelligence in terms of predictive analysis, which I will also illustrate more in terms of how predictive analysis can be applied for the process industry, and how Yokogawa is embarking into this journey as well. So all this analytics information is of critical data for us in view of the aging populations. So as the population is aging, and with the eras of the next generations, the workforce for the next generations has different expectations. They do not want to go into the refineries, they do not want to wear the safety gears, put on the helmets or put on the safety vests, and work in the dirty and polluted kind of the environment conditions. And therefore we have to transport all this kind of the taxi knowledge into a wisdom. And the wisdom will in a way able to sustain the business and to facilitate the younger generations to achieve a better kind of the automations for the process industry.